Winchester rickets are going to. It's not too bad because half of it's liquid anyway.
And I think this started out with me forgetting a prank, so I had to come up with another one. So is this work? This is actually somehow making this work better than the fork. I think it's because it's.
Try it now.
It's just not facing him at all.
I don't back it, I'll get to it. One way or another, it will be in my mouth.
You didn't realize what you said.
I'm fully aware when I
Yeah, but only significantly after the fact. Either that or you kept...
I wouldn't, but go ahead.